Hi everyone, I'm Abiyya, and this is my online PP exhibition presentation. So in this video, I am basically going to be sharing about my 6th to 8th month journey of doing the personal project. There were definitely many things that I've learned along the way, and I'm just here to share my overall experience. So from all the different things that I had to do before getting to do my action and how it all contributed to my development as a student. So without further ado, I will start with part 1 of the video, which is the planning process of my personal project. Equitable Opportunity through Eplatform Apps 101 is a project that aims to empower students with physical and/or cognitive disabilities by enabling them to enter the marketplace through learning in an interactive workshop that revolves around digital marketing, coding, and overall knowledge regarding digital literacy. As for my global contacts, I have chosen fairness and development, specifically with the strand access to equal opportunities. I believe that the challenges of my generation would be the inequality of opportunities, caused mainly by uniform perception and bias, causing the disenfranchised, or in this case, the disabled, to have less voice to present their value as a contributing and caring member of the society. This relates to my goal because I believe that digital literacy would inspire and enable those potentially left behind to step up and take a positive role in the society they aspire. It definitely took a while for me to figure out what type of product outcome I wanted to do for my personal project, but after talking to my mentor and also getting advice from the other teachers, I finally decided to organize a workshop. In short, I basically wanted to organize a workshop that would be a catalyst for self-confidence and a tool for the disabled students to expand on their own. I have seen many kids and teens who are physically at a disadvantage or labeled as handicapped but have such artistic talents and intellectual potential that could definitely be unlocked with an approach that could help them gain credible skills, an approach that builds on their intellect in a way that could be monetized beyond their physical limitations, and I think coding is that credible skill. In today's modern digital world, coding, a process that is used to help develop apps, websites, and software, is considered a very valuable skill. Many big companies have started to utilize apps and other digital platforms to promote and sell their products, and this is all to capitalize on the growing development of e-commerce and fintech. Now moving on to the actual workshop plan, the students will basically get to understand the importance of digital literacy and how the digital world works through the process of learning how to make a website in which they can utilize for themselves. The workshop will also have training that would be based on how to find what potential consumers are needing right now and are willing to pay for, and the e-solution platform to meet that need within the specification of the consumer. We will now move on to the second part of the video, which is the investigation process of my personal project. So starting with my audience, I've decided to work together with Melati. Melati is a rehabilitation center for the hearing disability community in Jakarta. I am working together with them because they have a program in which specifically helps people with hearing disability between the ages of 15 to 30 to find employment. They do this by teaching them different work skills. And now we have the experts. They all played an extremely important role in ensuring the success of my workshop. Pause the video to read their information. The investigation process was definitely the most challenging and the most stressful part of my PP journey. I definitely had a hard time trying to manage everything, and there was a time where I just left for a while, and when I went back to actually finish and to actually do it again, everything was just disorganized, and I hadn't talked to my experts in weeks, and I haven't updated my audience, and so that led to a few changes towards the end, which included having to change the number of days for the workshop itself, and also having to find a last-minute replacement for one of my experts. We will now move on to part 3 of the video, which is the taking action / product outcome. The workshop was held in Sekolah Melati from December 13 to December 14, 2019. The 2-day, 5 to 6 hour workshop was filled with various activities where the students got the chance to be mentored by both coding tutors and digital marketing consultants. The students of Melati all came in with a positive mindset in wanting to learn something new and push through even with all the challenges that occurred along the way. And so although not everything went as planned, I'm still happy that I got the chance to make this workshop happen. Now we will finally move on to the last part of the video, which is the reflection. My development as a student can be seen from the IB learner profiles I've improved on the most, which are risk taker, thinker, and communicator. Pause the video to read my full explanation. And so we finally made it to the end. Thank you for watching my video and I hope you enjoyed it.